Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, sir. Let me introduce. My name is Muhammad Nur Arif, ID student 20030500069 from English Education. Okay, I will explain impact of Banish communication of the performance of adult trainer. This material, International Journal of Academic Research in Progressive Education and Development. Point 1. Background of the problem. For the success of the business organization, communication play a crucial role. It is considered as a mainstream of the growth and development of the organization. Interaction among the employees and the management of an organization is of utmost importance so that when the trainer will be upgraded to employees, they can create impact on organization culture and performance. According to Brain Tense, the ability of communication with the general business people accounts almost of the success achievement in case of business as well as in life. So it okay. Point 2. Brief descriptive of study method. In context of the aforementioned study, qualitative research study is considered as apologize on the for this second method has been used. Second, data can strike the research persuasion and can help in foster strong conclusion. The second method include platform and article, literature, books, magazine, per review, journal and online reports collect from authentic records. Channel in provided by the organization, formal communication is increased by the heretical kind of command. But in the case of informal communication, there is no existence of a predetermined structure of communication. Okay, point 3. Theories of business communication. Brio's model of business communication is all about the emotional aspect of the certain message, that is the modified version of the communication model delivered by Aristotle. Barrow's model worked on the SMGR model, which is the abbreviated version of the source of the information, message sent through a signal, channel through which signal is sent, and lastly the received as well as the course the message. So basic components of the model are the source, message, channel, and receive. Is the eighth component is segmented into live element that massively influence the whole process of communication. Ultimate make the individual aware knowledge to carry the information the speaker is delivering is of almost conquering facts to be called a knowledge speaker. A social system like cultural belief, sentiment, should be meant to keep the audience feel uncomfortable. In the case of the message section, content and element of the message should be crisp and very simple. The sender should also be concerned about the treatment of the message, like understand the importance of the delivered message and how it will be handled. Okay, next point, communication skill training. This training is object throughout the adult trainer of the company to educate them the basic part of the effective communication in the organization. It is intended at the end will be able to identify all the benefits of business communication. It also to take into account to record that obstacle communication effectively and enhance business communication skill. Training business communication skills are very important in all organizations to sustain for the too long. To do the job well, it is essential to have good communication between the co-workers and the team leader and management. This ensures access to the information and employees needs to complete the job effectively. This low confidence if help in keeping everyone of the same page in case of work rules and the producer of the organization. Effect communication can help in reducing error, mistake, and in that way the standard of productivity are researched for those trainers who are interested to be in the product manufacturing department. Knowledge on safety hazard as well as procession is needed. The management can help them letting knowledge about then matters through effective communication. Next material, impact of effective communication in the organization. Business communication is always been donated as an important matter in case of the success of a business. In case of the success of the business, contribution from both sides is important. Effective of an organization depend of many factors like cooperation, communication, contraction among the employees. But among all the factors, communication holds the major place. Effective communication contributes to the success of an organization. It builds the satisfaction, morale, and engagement of the employees towards the job. Through communication, employees understand the terms and conditions of the employment. This leads to loyalty and commitment. Effective communication gives the voice to the employees to improve work-related communication with the employer. Okay, next material, purpose of effective business communication education. For any organization, business communication education fulfill certain purpose among the trainer. 1. It important employee engagement. This indicates leadership communication as a top in internal communication and show the engagement of the employees. 2. Elimination of overload email is another point. In my organization, email play a major role in improved communication. Information requests, task assessment, communication with vendor, documentation distribution, HR notice, team activity all happen through email, but only some of the email are relevant and need immediate attention, and other email do not require the immediate request. Very proper business communication and the right tool of communication are required to eliminate the communication source. Effective business communication are held for job performance in any team. If the proper message is delivered to the team member, if they act according, the work is smoothly. 5. By using a communication streak, it becomes effective in interdepartmental communication for the employees to become productive. Communication can help and they can collaborate very easily. 6. Business communication education help in improving communication with remote worker. 7. Another major purpose is to reduce employee turnover. In any organization, satisfied and engaged employees enjoy the work environment and the turnover reduces drastically. The management is to inform the staff about the information relevant to their job. Okay, next material, benefit of business communication. Business communication helps building the team. Effective communication in the team lead to a smooth flow of the information from top to bottom and one side to another without any inhibition. When the understanding of the work is there and employees know to how in the with other employees and to contribute to To reaching the goals of the business to the team member feel empowered. 2. Business communication is boosting the morale of the employees. The morale of the team member is benefit of effective communication. If there is not communication, then these teammates stay irate and eventually start growing resentment in their mind toward in the team member and the lead result disloyalty. 4. Business communication help is interaction satisfaction among customers. Then when communication effectively with one another can also communication effectively with the customer. 6. The productivity of company gets improved through effective communication if the teammates are aware of the task and rule the expect outcome from the day can part of the effort. Okay, next material strategy to improve business communication skill. For trainer learner feeling those actively in the business world is the main purpose of the trainer development department. Conclusion. Business communication is now a major part of the business success. Communication can be effective in case of maintaining good relationship with business partner, customer, and stakeholder. Effective communication is considered as the milestone to maintain a successful business. Communication plans required by practice to get better success. For the trainer of the business is the future. Internal as well as external communication is the backbone of the organization success in the market. So, learning professional communications target is essential for many employees. This can help in a joyful work environment and the trainer to be able as employees can give their best in work and emit the professional performance in a job that can ultimately lead to job satisfaction. Effective business communication is the key to any business. Okay, thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.